You can upload all of your service records and parts receipts directly into VOXCAR. But for all the other documents we have, like purchase documents, insurance documents, parts and service manuals, or even that one critical warranty document that we can never find when we need it, VOXCAR puts every document in one place, organized, searchable. It's always there for you. From the vehicle detail page, select the Documents tab. Once in the Documents page, select the Upload Your First Document, or if you already have documents uploaded, you would simply select Upload in the upper right-hand corner. Click inside the box here to browse your local device to find any document you would like to upload. In this demonstration, I've uploaded 3 documents, 2 manuals, and 1 vehicle history report. In Documents, you can toggle between a card view and a list view, where you can expand and collapse documents according to category. Let's categorize 2 of the documents as manuals. We'll do it twice. Once in the list view, you can collapse documents by category. Now you understand documents and how you can categorize them and change your views in VOXCAR.